Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a pair of cute yet comfortable sneakers for your little one, you're going to want to try these from OshKosh. They are the Be Gosh Garci toe bump sneakers. I love them for my little one because he has more chunkier feet, but these still fit him so well. I can tell that he's so comfortable when he's walking in them and they don't hurt his feet. I also like that they don't have laces. Instead, they have a Velcro strap that's really easy to open and to close securely around my child's foot. And the design is really nice in the color navy and orange. The colors are so vibrant. I also like underneath the sneaker how it has traction. That way my little one isn't falling so easily. And there's a toe bump guard on the front of the sneaker. If your little one tends to bump into things like mine does, they don't have to worry about their toes getting hurt because of this really thick toe bump guard. So if you're looking for a pair of really comfortable sneakers that your little one can walk and run in, you're definitely going to want to try these from OshKosh. That's my point of view.